name's Jocelyn. This is my teaching channel, Scofield Studio, and this exercise is part of my HiTS program, which is how-to singing, which specifically teaches ear training and musical understanding and is great for beginner singers. This exercise goes up and down the major scale in different rhythms. So when you sing, you're combining pitches and you're combining rhythms, and you need to be expected to do both with good accuracy. So the major scale for right now is not changing. This is going to be what we're singing, but we're going to sing it on different rhythms. So we're going to start with singing each one for 4 beats. So this is part 1. Then we're going to go to 2 beats or half notes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and so on. Then we're going to go to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So we're going to go up and down the scale. First with whole notes, which is the 4 beats. Then with half notes, which is 2 beats. And then quarter notes, which is 1 beat. And the reason why I think these are really important and kept them in there, you might be like, oh, these are so easy, is that beginner singers often have a hard time singing the same pitch over again. So they'll either miss it and they'll kind of go up or down when they're supposed to stay on the same pitch, or their pitch will just start drifting a little bit. It'll get a little bit sharp, a little bit flat. So being able to sing the same pitch is a really big deal. And being able to hold notes works on breath. So you can breathe actually after each one for these. So these are the whole notes. So these are 4 beats. Okay, so the first part is whole notes, second part is half notes, and then the third part are quarter notes. And I'll play as well. So I'll go like... and I'll kind of give you the beat. Okay, so if you don't know the scale, I'm going to put it right there. You can do hand signs. I love hand signs because they give you a physical representation of the scale, but you don't have to if you're like, oh, hand signs are for kids. Okay, so we're going to start with Do. We're going to be in C. If you're a female, you're going to be right here. If you're a male, you'll probably be here. Unless you are a male that has not... been through puberty yet, then you'll probably be up here. Nobody is going to be up here, and probably nobody is going to be down here, ideally. So I'm going to give you 4 counts, and then you're in. Boom. This is your first note. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, re. So these are our whole notes. Mi, fa, and I'm playing in the left hand. Quarter note, just so you hear the 4. 2, 3, 4. Ti, do. Then we're gonna walk down, same whole notes. Ready, go. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi. This time I'm not going to sing. 1, 2, whole note still. Go. Then walking down. Okay, great. All right, so those are the whole notes. Next, we're going to do half notes. So same idea. And again, repetition is a great thing because the more familiar you are with the major scale, just the easier learning songs will be, and blah, blah, blah. So this is half notes. So we're going to sing 2 half notes. Be like do, do, re, re, mi, and so on. Okay, 1, 2, do, go. Do, do, re, 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 mi, fa, fa, sol, sol, la, la, ti, do, do. Then we start with do. Okay, then we move to quarter notes. So be like do, 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 re, 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 mi, fa, fa, and so on. So I'll sing with you. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, 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 re, 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 mi, fa, 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 sol, 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 la, 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 ti, 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 do, do, do. Then we walk down. Do, 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 ti, 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 la, 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 sol, 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 fa, 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 mi, re, 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 do, 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 do. Okay, so I would do these. If I were you, I'd do them probably at least 4 or 5 times each. And I would do them a cappella. I would give yourself the starting note, which is C, do, 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 re, 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 mi. If you haven't downloaded like a piano or a music app, I would do that. I use GarageBand, and you can get a little piano here so that you can find C. So C is always, let me see if you can see the lines. Yeah, you see where it says C3. C is always just to the left of the group of 2 black notes. So bum, that's your C. So you can give yourself C, 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 C. So here we go. If I go do, 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 re, 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 mi, fa, 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 so, 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 la, 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 ti, 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 do, 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 and so on. You can absolutely do that. The reason I picked C is because we're only using the white notes, and it's a little bit easier to find the notes. So on your phone, or if you have a real piano, you can give yourself the C and sing it a cappella. Do the whole notes, then do the half notes, and then do the quarter. If you want to add some bonus points to it, you can do it with a metronome. You can put it in 4/4. We're in 4/4 right now. So you'd go bum, bum, bum. You do something like that. So I'm in 4/4. I'm at 111, but you could be whatever. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Do, re, mi, fa, and so on. Okay, I hope this is helpful. Please let me know. This is really, really good for your ear, and is totally worth the time.